Okay, hello everybody, and I hope that you are doing great now. So we are going to continue now our discussion with the introduction to computing. And for this topic, we will discuss the social history of computing impacts. And the objectives are the following. I'm going to explain to you how computing affects the society, the different sectors where computing is needed, and also how computing impact our daily lives, its importance, and some of the disadvantages and then the advantages also when using computing. Okay, so let's go with the history of computing, an evolution and a revolution. So computing has fundamentally changed our world, and I hope that every one of us agrees with this phrase now. It changed our world. It affects how objects are being designed, the information we receive, our work environments, and our social interaction. So right now, using the technology, it's easier for us to communicate. It's easier for us to do our jobs. So this transformation, often called digital disruption, and not only replaces all technologies, but also envelops them, creating new platforms for innovation. And one significant innovation was the development of the web, no, or web development. And I hope that uh, it's not hindi niyo pa first time narinig yung term na web development, no? Which lead to the rise of open source development and collaborative software creation, and the internet became a global digital infrastructure, enabling remote services and data exchange. And of course, through this web development or software development, it becomes easier for us to like do our businesses, no? Right now there are online na mga e-commerce applications that have been developed in order for us to do our purchases online, and it really helps, no? The technology really helps when it comes to the businesses also. And the web emergence shifted the importance from standalone computers to online platforms, and it has deeply embedded computing in our daily lives, generating vast amounts of data, or known as the big data. And this has transformed the field, requiring new technologies and experts to handle data-driven decision making. And traditional hand-coded algorithms had been replaced by data-driven processes, rendering some fields of study obsolete. And this transformation demonstrates the ever-evolving nature of computing and its profound impact on the society. So on the next slides, we're going to discuss what are the different impacts now when in terms of society, in terms of our lives, on how it affects our life. Okay, so I believe naman that all of you have been used different technologies right now, and I know that you can see how it changed you, or how it changed the society or you yourself, with the communication with your family, or how you do things, using the technology. So we're going to talk about that, and how computers impact our society. Now, so computing technologies have a significant social impact, shaping people, shaping how people interact, work, and organize their lives. And this field is known as social informatics, which studies the relationship between the study and the technology. Also, computing technology has evolved to solve specific societal problems. Early mechanical computers by Pascal and Leibniz addressed scientific and navigational issues, and Joseph Marie Jacquard's automated loom in 1801. I think we discussed this on the previous chapter. No, in 1801 aimed to reduce production costs in the industrial age. And in the 20th century, there is a development of electronic computers and driven by military needs during World War II. And today's devices are descendants of these early efforts, no? So society's needs have led to various computing technologies, including supercomputers, graphic processors, mobile devices, and more. And I pretty believe that these things have been discussed on the previous chapters. So I hope na hindi nyo pa nakalimutan yung topic natin. No? And then in the 21st century, computers are used across various sectors like agriculture, commerce, education, governance, and more. And computing applications mainly fall into two categories: managing large amounts of information and then coordinating complex processes. So what are these different sectors? We have in communication. Huh? The way we communicate today, we are just using mobile devices or our desktop or laptops in order for us to share information. No, so computing has revolutionized communication. No, email, instant messaging, social media, and video conferencing have made it easier for people to connect and share information across the globe. And this has transformed the way we interact with each other personally and professionally. And I hope that it's self-explanatory and it's understandable that without this technology, I don't think we will be able to communicate with our family members far away from us. No, so it really helps us. And you can see it naman. And yeah, and also with economic impact, no? Computing has transformed the global economy. It has given rise to entire industries such as software development, e-commerce, and digital marketing. It has also improved efficiency in existing industries through automation and data analysis. So it really impacts the economy. Because right now, we can do a lot of things through computer. No, we can order food using our mobile phones or using our computers. So businesses can now do their business through online. And by that, then I'm pretty sure if there are a lot of people purchase something to a business and then the business booms or the business has a lot of profits, then I believe it gives a great impact to our economy. And then information access, no? So the internet powered by computing provides unprecedented access to information. And this has democratized knowledge, making it easier for people to learn, research, and stay informed about a wide range of topics. So right now, the information are really, you know, very accessible wherever you are, wherever you are in this world, no? For as long as you connect to the internet, then Google ka lang, and then it's easier for you to access the information. And then, of course, education. It really helps us. Um, Without technology, I don't think it would be very hard to share the information, no? Because right now, if you just connect to the internet, then you do the research, and then you wanted to upskill your skills and knowledge to a certain thing, it becomes easier for you, no? It's easier for you to educate yourself. So computing plays a crucial role in education. It enables online learning, just like what we are doing now, making education accessible to people to all ages and backgrounds. And educational software and tools have enhanced the learning experience and personalized instructions. So I know that it's understandable and it's really helpful. No? The technology is really helpful when it comes to communication, economic impact, information access, education, and let's continue with the next slide: healthcare, transportation, entertainment, and social impact. Also, for the healthcare, computing has improved medical research, diagnostics, and patient care. We now have this electronic health records, imaging, and data analysis have enhanced the accuracy and efficiency of healthcare services. So there has been a lot of softwares that has been developed when it comes to healthcare nowadays for us to efficiently, do some um to 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 like how am I going how am I going to say this? To like improve, no, the system when it comes to healthcare. Yun lang. para mas mapabilis yung mga services na maibibigay ng mga hospital. Something sort of like that. Okay. And of course, in transportation, computing is essential to modern transportation system. It empowers navigation and traffic management, self-driving cars. And I know if you're using TikTok now, oh, you can see that there are some self-driving cars already. No, I think nakikita din naman yan. Ako nakikita ko lang siya sa TikTok. But if you do some research, you can really see, no, that there are these self-driving cars existing nowadays. And ride-sharing platforms are making transportation is safer and more efficient. Or like if you have been using Grab, no, pwede po pwede ring yung mga application na yan. So it really helps us. Technology really helps us when it comes to transportation. And of course, entertainment, YouTube or TikTok or Facebook or any other entertainment applications that we can use now. Or yeah, it transforms the entertainment industry. Right now, there are video games, streaming services, digital art, and virtual reality have provided new forms of entertainment and artistic expression. And of course, when it comes to social impact, computers has influenced social movements and activism. No? Social media has played a crucial role in organizing protests, raising awareness of social issues, and facilitating political discussions. So it's actually easier now to spread the information using uh, this technology. Okay, and of course, in continuation, it also impacts the security and privacy. No, so as computing has advanced, we have now concerns about the cybersecurity and privacy. Protecting personal data and digital infrastructure has become a significant challenge and priority. Another also is workforce and jobs. Automation and artificial intelligence are changing the workforce landscape. While they can increase productivity, no, that's right, but they raise concerns about job displacement and need for retraining and upscaling. So that's why it's important that as you can see naman, the technologies are like it developing like every month, like they develop siya. So it's important also that your skills are, kailangan din ma-enhance because para hindi ka mawala ng trabaho. So that's why it's important really that you are adaptable to change. And then environmental impact, no? So computing can be both a cost and a solution to environmental issues. Now, so on the one hand, data centers and electronic waste contribute to environmental problems. And on the other hand, computing is used in modeling and analyzing environmental data, helping address issues like climate change and resource management. So, may disadvantage, meron ding may advantage din. And I think yun naman talaga yun eh, para ma-balance. So that there is a balance. Parang yan lang din naman yung ibig sabihin. And of course, we have innovation and research, no? So computing drives innovation in various fields, including science, engineering, and social science. So it enables simulations, data analysis, and modeling that advance knowledge and technology. I think those are the things, no? And also those are the things that impacts computers on the society. So again, let me summarize it again. It affects on communication, economic impact, information access, education, healthcare, transportation, entertainment, social impact, security and privacy, environmental impact, workforce and jobs, innovation and research. So I hope that you take note on those things, sorry. Okay, so that's it for the impact of computers on the society. Now let's move on the impacts on work. So computers have significantly influenced work organization and tasks. Initially, the centralized information processing task around expensive mainframe computers. leading to centralized work for workplace structures. However, advancement in computing technology like networking and personal computers decentralized organizations and allowed for remote work. And computers have also transformed the nature of work by introducing computer-aided manufacturing, leading to job losses and the need for new skills. As technology evolved, workers had to adapt of changing job requirements. So I think I have discussed it earlier, no? That you should be adaptable kasi kailangan yun dapat talaga. No, you should never stop learning. And then the internet, including email and the World Wide Web, has a profound impact on society by enabling easy and rapid communication, information sharing, and the formation of virtual communities. It has also changed how education and entertainment are delivered to individuals and the public. So some of the things, additionally, for the impact of computers on work is it increased efficiency and productivity. No? So computers have streamlined process and automated tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity in the workplace. This allows employees to complete their task faster and with few errors. And of course, it helps computers also help in data analysis and decision making. Now, computer can process large volumes of data quickly and accurately, facilitating data-driven decision making. So businesses can gain insights from the data analysis to make more informed choices and strategize effectively. So it helps when in terms of reporting, on the data analysis and decision making. Another thing also is for globalization and connectivity. So computers have connected businesses and professionals across the globe. This globalization has expanded opportunities for collaboration, international trade, and exchange of ideas, impacting work in various industries. And also it helps automation of repetitive tasks. Computers can handle repetitive and routine tasks, reducing the need for the human intervention in areas like data entry, customer support, and manufacturing. So this automation can lead to cost savings and increased efficiency. Okay, so those are the things uh, that how computer helps when it comes to a workplace. Okay, so that's it. And now we are going to proceed with the effects of the computer age. So the computer age has had significant effects on behavior, on human behavior and society. Psychologists have studied how people interact with computers, including how they process information on the screen and make input errors. They also explored psychological aspect of human behavior when using technologies like email, revealing how people create alternate identities online and apply social rules to computer interaction. And then the impact of computers on lifestyles aligns with their social on influence on social organization, work, and communication. So as a personal computing devices became more common, they enable greater independence and remote work. So individuals can perform tasks like publishing books, making reservations, and conducting global meetings from personal computers. And some view this development positively, while others worry that increased computer use has led to more work-intensive lifestyle. So of course, computers can help us not to do our task efficiently, to to do our jobs. But if there's an excessive use of computers, then it might affect our human behavior and our health also. So everything is good, but with moderation. That was from Catriona Gray. Okay, so some of the effects, additional effects of the computer age, as what I have said earlier, it affects psychological studies. So psychologists have studied how people interact with computers, including information processing and input error behavior. shedding light on the psychological effects of human interaction. And then, of course, online identities. No, the computer age has revealed how people create alternate identities online and apply social rules to digital interactions, fundamentally altering how individuals behave and interact in virtual spaces. So there's actually a different behavior when when you are when you are in a social media and in reality. Sometimes sobrang ingay mo sa social media, but in reality parang you're not really that kind of person, or like you are maingay naman, but then in the virtual world you're so behave and etc. So something like that. You have your different online identities and lifestyle changes. No, computers have significantly impacted lifestyle by promoting greater independence and remote work. Personal computers devices enable tasks like publishing books, making reservations, and conducting global meetings from personal computing, influencing how people live and work. And yeah, because of computers, we can now do our job remotely. And work transformation. It transformed the nature of work by increasing efficiency. No? So parang pabalik-balik lang naman yung idea niya. No? By increasing efficiency, automating tasks, and introducing work remote opportunities. So it has reshaped job rules and the way people approach their careers. Okay, so it's a very quick lang na na topic, no? So we were able to discuss how the computing affects our society. And again, as what I have told you, it really helps in terms of communication, economic impact, information access, education, healthcare, entertainment, transportation, social impact, security and privacy, environmental impact, workforce and jobs, innovation and research. And also it impacts of on how we work, it increases efficiency and productivity in terms of also in terms of globalization and connectivity, data analysis and decision making, and then automation of repetitive tasks. And what are the some of the effects? You have the psychological studies, online identities, lifestyle changes, and work transformation. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you understand now the impact of the computing when it comes to society and our daily lives. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much.